Good morning. Back again. Psycho-Cybernetics for the month of December. We get paid to read these books. I'm absolutely loving it. Just got into chapter 2. And over here in chapter 2, he's talking about we have a built-in guidance system. In man, the goal to live means more than mere survival. So he's comparing man to animals. Animals, he said all they do, find food and shelter and avoid getting eaten by their enemies and procreate. Where in humans, we can do more. For us, living is solving problems, inventing things, writing poetry, running a business, selling merchandise, exploring new horizons in science, attain more peace of mind, develop a better personality, achieve success in any other activity. Teammates, he's saying that's what living's about. Insight number 1, you got to avoid those people who all they want to do is just get by. I just want to be comfortable. Well, what is that? It's more, we supposed to be doing all this stuff. Let's get excited about achieving a success, exploring new horizons, growing a business, an enterprise. Real simple. Now that's what he says we're made to do. Now, I don't know, maybe obviously everybody's not the same. You got different personalities, but that's the kind of talk resonates with me. Now going on over here in the chapter, he's talking about another difference between us and animals is he says animals cannot select their goals. Their goal is just self-preservation and procreation. They are kind of preset, so to speak. He says, we men, we are more than a creature. We are creators. We have imagination. We can formulate a variety of goals. Man alone can direct his success mechanism by the use of imagination. I love this kind of talk. I think it was Albert Einstein said, imagination is more powerful than work ethic. That's insight number 2. And we already using our imagination whether we realize it or not. Then he goes on because I'll just talk about me. Before I was intentionally visualizing, setting goals, using my imagination to move toward it, I was still using my imagination, thinking about something that I didn't want to happen. It's called worrying. That's the default imagination mode. It's called worry. Whew, that is strong. I hope somebody get it. Okay. Last thing, he says, now we are not machines, so we just can't be programmed like a computer because we got emotions, we got feelings, and all this other stuff. So he says, but our brain and nervous system constitute a goal-striving mechanism that operates automatically to achieve a certain goal. Very much like a self-aiming torpedo. So we get negative feedback, and we got to make adjustments, get feedback, make adjustments, get feedback, make adjustments. In the whole coaching world, we got a saying called, and this is insight number 3, if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. So feedback is critical to making adjustments to get closer to your goal. We're business people like us, sales, marketing, professionals, growing our organizations. We have to learn how to make adjustments, measure what we're doing so we can make intelligent adjustments based upon data and not just how we feel. Love this stuff. Hope you're getting some out of it. We'll run this play again tomorrow.